Welcome to my YouTube channel review of the Mic Smart Garage Door Video Keypad with its impressive features. Wide-angle surveillance camera. Capture a comprehensive view of your garage area, from driveway to doorway. The wide-angle lens ensures you don't miss any activity. Advanced motion detection. Monitor unfamiliar activity in your garage area for peace of mind. Receive real-time notifications via the Mic app when motion is detected. Real-time notifications. Stay informed about garage access. Receive timely alerts to ensure the safety of your loved ones. Two-way audio. Engage in live conversations while monitoring ambient sounds around your garage. Useful for communicating with family members or service providers. Unique PIN codes. Easily create and share personalized access codes via the Mic app. Set time-specific passes to grant access to family, guests, or service providers at designated hours or days. Remote viewing. Access live feeds directly through the Mic app. Take advantage of a free trial to view recorded events. Compatibility. Works with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman garage door openers manufactured after 1993. In summary, the Mic Smart Garage Door Video Keypad combines security, convenience, and smart control. It's an excellent addition to your garage setup, allowing you to monitor and manage access with ease. You can find this product on Amazon at a discounted price of $59.99, 40% off the list price of $99.99. Happy reviewing for your YouTube channel.